Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2013 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits and that too microprocessor. For 8085 microprocessor, the following program is executed. Look at the program. At the end of the program, accumulator contains A 17H, B 20H, C 23H, 05H. That is the hexadecimal equivalent of accumulator that we have to write. So the program given is this one. Okay. Now we'll see what will be the right answer. So whenever move immediate A 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5 is a data that will be loaded into A. Move immediate 0 5 into accumulator. So that now the accumulator will be consisting of 0 5. Move immediate B, that is now B will be loaded with 0 5. Next add B. Add B implies nothing but this is add B instruction. What it is doing is nothing but it will add B contents to the accumulator contents and the accumulator contents is loaded with result. So A and B, the present contents of accumulator and B contents will be added up and it will be loaded in the accumulator itself. So because of that one, what you are going to get is nothing but 5 plus 5 is nothing but 10. Okay, 10 is nothing but A, but consider that one we are considering the decimal number only. Till the end of the program, till halt we will consider the decimal numbers. Later the result of decimal number we will convert into hexadecimal. So A is equal to 10. Later what you are doing is decrement B, that is B is now becoming 04. Jump on no 0 PTR. PTR is nothing but again you are moving into this one. This is a loop. So jump on no 0. Is that B is 0? No, it is going into the back. That is add B. Again contents of B and contents of accumulator are going to be added. So these are the contents of A and contents of B that will be added and it will be stored in accumulator, which is nothing but 14. Next below this one decrement B. Now B is equal to 3. Again B is not 0. So again going back to the add B. By that time the contents are 14 and 7. So A is equal to 17 and B will be get decremented to 2. Okay. Now also if you check, okay, at that time B is not 0, so that it will go back and now add B. Add B is nothing but contents of accumulator and B value will be gets added and it will be stored in the accumulator. So it will be 19. Next B will be decremented 1. Now also B is not 0, so jump on no 0, go back to the add condition. So again contents of accumulator and B will be gets added 19 plus 1, that will be stored in accumulator. Now B will be 0. Okay, after decrementing B will be 0. So jump on no 0, it will go back, but now B is 0, so it will skip that instruction. So add immediate 03. That is nothing but here it is, this is what happening. A is A plus 03. So by that time add immediate is nothing but now accumulator contents and 03 is going to be added. Accumulator contents are 20. 20 plus 3, that is now A will be loaded with 23 decimal, remember that one, and halt 23 decimal. In hexadecimal you can write it as 17H. So the right answer is A. 17H is the value present in the accumulator at the end of this program. Thank you.